Hi, it's Darnell with Will Recipes, and today I'm going to be making turkey burgers in the Ninja Flip toaster oven air fryer. And let's get cooking right now. Alright, so my ingredients here are very simple. I've got a couple pounds of organic ground turkey, and I'm going to be using some garlic and herb seasoning. Very simple. So I'm just going to get the turkey out into this bowl here. Alright, now that I got the ground turkey meat out, just going to put some seasoning on it. Season it up good. You can basically season yours up with whatever you choose. Now I'm just going to go ahead and mix the seasoning up in the meat here. Get things really well combined together. Now I'm going to try and form some patties here. Alright, so now I'm going to take the burgers, and I've got the bake pan underneath to catch drippings. So now I'm going to turn the cooker on, and I'm going to try the broil setting this time. And let's see, 20 minutes. I'm going to, just in case I need more time, set it out to 30. And for the temperature, I'm going to go with the high broil. We'll see how that works out. I'm going to hit start. So we'll let this run for a while. Alright, 15 minutes of cooking, and I'm going to go ahead and try and flip things over a bit. Things are still going to need some more time to cook for sure. Alright, we'll let things continue. Alright, so full 30 minutes. I felt like letting them go that long, and so I did. So we're going to see what we got. Let me try and pull this out a little bit. I'll just test this one here. Yeah, it's super hot. This one in the back here, yeah, it's in the 160s. Yeah, these bigger ones I knew would need more time. You know, smaller ones got done quicker. Yeah, but they're all done, so that's all good. Alright, so now I'm going to just take and plate all of these now. And I know there's someone out there who feels they should be stopped at a specific temp. And by the way, there are over 900 videos on this channel. Over 80 different cookers, I'm well aware. And as I said, I felt like going to full 30 to see what I'd get. Alright, while the meat's resting, I'm going to take some of my homemade sourdough, light sourdough whole wheat bread. Came out a little malformed. I didn't do this one as well as some others, like the one on the video of how to make it that I have here on the channel. But anyway, making myself some toast with what I have. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it at I'll leave it at 6 and 2 slices. Probably should have just 4 slices with that being that big, but I'll make myself some toast here for a burger. Alright, the toast time is coming to an end. So get these slices out. And I guess I'll get this one in the back here and flip it over onto my bread. There we go. I'm just going to use, even though I don't often do condiments and taste tests, I'm going to use a little sugar-free barbecue sauce on top. So this is a honey flavored sugar-free barbecue sauce. Alright, we'll just top that and do ourselves a quick taste test. So thank God for homemade turkey burgers. I'm going to go ahead and try and bite in here and taste. So here we go. It's a big bite. Alright, they taste very good. Taste medium moistness, not all dried out, but medium moist level. It's pretty good. So I like how they turned out. It made them my way. You make them your way. That's the way it is. So, nothing in the video is sponsored, nothing given to me. And basically in the video description are lots of ways to help the channel, such as my cookbook, merch, membership, donations, link to the Amazon shop where you pay the same price to help the channel. Also, you can check out my blog, superwaveovenrecipes.com. That's superwaveovenrecipes.com. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Share the video with a friend, leave comments, subscribe, hit that notification icon, and good eating.